I have to say big round of applause for his performance. Every time 100% दिखता है, लेकिन आपने कुछ कमी नहीं दी. आपकी पहली पिक्चर है साथ में, and it's unbelievable, you know, matching steps with this boy.
Oh,
because
so tough.
Yeah, it is very tough. So let's talk about the before you do the shot. The director is there, all the dancers are there, everyone's perfected it. You have to come there. आप नए बैट्समैन पिच पर आए हैं. आपको फर्स्ट बॉल आने वाली है, क्योंकि यहाँ तो मंजे हुए खिलाड़ी है ना. How did you feel?
You just have to pray. You have to pray to God.
No, lot more than that. Yeah. You look like you had then prayed very hard because you had it really down to
earth. Prayed very hard, rehearsed also very hard because it's definitely not easy. Even remotely matching Tiger.
Well, you matched it perfectly well. Big round of applause for her also. Tiger, first day when she's dancing, was it easy? Did you have to even show or bring it down a notch? कई बार बोलते हैं ना मैच करने के लिए ज़रूरी है.
नहीं, I think हमने बहुत साथ में बहुत रिहर्सल किए, तो I think she was ready and you know she's a very hard-working girl. So congrats on your first song.
Yeah, and it could have been better. Sir, ये magic आपका और टाइगर का तो magic है ही. But it's very difficult to actually portray it like this. सब लोग अपने घर पे moonwalk कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा ऐसे dance कर लेते हैं, you know. But to make it look like you know how you want Munna Michael to look. बहुत dance, एक तो Michael शब्द है तो dance ही बहुत होगा. Are you a good dancer yourself?
Amazing.
Because I'm not making Tiger dance.
But otherwise, lots of thought process going into. Were you involved also in it, or was just the dance choreographer?
The song was actually my brainchild because I like coming up with a song and playing it for Tiger, and he goes, "Are you sure about this?" Ding Dang was the essence of how Munna would come out.
Yeah.
With Mehu, we had what Michael would be like.
Yeah.
This is paying tribute to the iconic Munnas that I've played. So I'm really happy with the song.
I love the colors in the song as well. Vicky said it's a grand song. I like it. It's big and it's, you know, when people want to see Tiger is loved by all ages. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. So you want to see something really grand when he's out there. Even the action shot in the end is out there. So I have to say that lots of thought going into this to make sure it looks larger than life. You know, you've had a history of a film that has had some great music and some great dance movements. You like experimenting as well.
And the way the song was actually executed and the way the action is actually executed in the movie, I think everybody who's seen it has really appreciated it. In the songs, Munna, the first song of Munna Michael, people are really humming it all over, and I hope this song also, you know, becomes a big massy song.
No, actually I saw the reaction. I think it's already working. Just before I throw out opening to the media, everyone is flying in this film of yours, huh? You have Nawaz flying also. You have him flying. Were you wanted to make a superhero film and that's why you made this? ऐसा कुछ था क्या?
We're happy with Munna.
All right, we'll open out to the audience.
Just one quick thing. Yeah. I want to thank a small round of applause for the composers, Mohsin and Javed, and the lyrics writer, Tanesh Sabri. Please.
I'm very happy that actually happens. A lot of the times you forget how a song is made, you remember the singer, you forget the composer, you forget the lyricist, and I think that's very, very important. When I do radio also, a lot of the times, you know, you have your song cards that come out that just have the name of the singer. But this is a very important thing, and that's why Sabir bhai, big round of applause for you also to remembering your entire people that are involved in making sure that you start humming these songs and all these entire tracks. Okay, I'll open out to the media. Any questions?
जी ये गाना मेरा हाथ बिल्कुल भी नहीं है गाने में. I think for me it's a very बहुत ही different style है. तो मैंने अपने आप को पूरा हवाले कर दिया गणेश आचार्य पे, and he has done a fantastic job taking care of all the actors and helping us bring these colors and the visuals on screen. और वो जो style है जो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत कर पाता हूँ मैं, but he is famous for songs like this, and whatever little I've achieved through this song is all thanks to him. So it's all thanks to Ganesh Acharya.
और आपको इस अवतार में देख के डैड का क्या रिएक्शन था, क्योंकि उनकी भी याद आती है.
Thank you so much. वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा compliment है. So thank you for that. I think I don't know. I am very nervous to ask my father what he feels of me because I don't know. हम लोग कभी काम के बारे में बातचीत नहीं करते, but he has definitely praised the trailer, and so far whatever promos he's seen, he's very happy. So that's what I'm happy. But she's a great actress and she trusts her co-actors. So she.
Completely.
But there's a lot of trust, because if you had been half an inch lower, it was gone. And like, moving ahead. Any other questions? Yeah. On the left, yeah.
बहुत अच्छे डांसर हैं, तो कभी ऐसा मुश्किल पेश आती है कि उनसे स्टेप मैच करना कभी
बहुत मुश्किल है. हाँ, बहुत मुश्किल है उस एनर्जी के साथ में, बिकॉज अगर हम नॉर्मल लोगों को जंप करना है तो हम कर लेते हैं, बट टाइगर जब जंप करता है तो वो एकदम ऊपर तक पहुंच जाता है. So it's very difficult, but I've tried. That's it.
टाइगर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
जी भाई, ये कहना चाहूँगा कि शी इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग गर्ल एंड जैसे आपने देखा अभी, आई थिंक शी वाज मैचिंग मी स्टेप फॉर स्टेप. सो यू नो, हैट्स ऑफ टू निधि. दिस इज हर फर्स्ट सॉन्ग ऑन स्क्रीन, सो यू नो, सुपर परफॉर्मेंस एज अ डेब्यू आल्सो.
टाइगर एक और सवाल है कि आप बहुत अच्छे डांसर सब जानते हैं, बहुत अच्छा एक्शन भी करते हैं, जो पर्दे पर दिखता भी है. कहीं आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा कोई एप्रीहेंशन है आपके मन में कि आगे जाके आप टाइप कास्ट हो जाएंगे, एक पर्टिकुलर तरह के डांसर और एक्शन मोड में ही आपको उस तरह के किरदार मिलेंगे बार बार, ऐसा?
आई थिंक सर अभी तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया है, तो यू नो, कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, नो पन इंटेंडेड फॉर अबाउट, बट जस्ट यू नो, सो अर्ली ऑन इन माई करियर थोड़ा बहुत रिकग्निशन मिल रहा है मुझे किसी भी चीज़ के लिए. आई थिंक फॉर मी दैट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट. आगे देखेंगे, अगर कोई अलग किरदार निभाना पड़ेगा तो आई एम अप टू द चैलेंज. सो या,
I have to tell you something, Tiger. When we go to these press shows, when you watch the films, yeah. So everyone's having samosa and watching the film, and then figuring out, okay, ठीक है पसंद. Do you know something? Everyone says, इतना अच्छा लड़का है यार. You know, so you feel very. They feel, नहीं, इसको ये थोड़ा leeway. So you know, you're very lucky because it's cheating like that. Everyone really loves you, and I've seen this in press screenings. I've seen it with children out there. They just have this great loving, you know, sort of feel for you, and that's the reason why you'll get extra 2 stars for every
I
film.
got lucky. Thanks sir.
Brilliant.
टाइगर, हाय, मेरा नाम रुपेश है. आपसे सवाल ये है कि आपको लगता है कि आपकी डांसिंग की वजह से जो आपके को स्टार हैं, जो दूसरे स्टार हैं, उनके लिए भी दिक्कत हो गई है क्योंकि आपने डांसिंग का लेवल बढ़ा दिया?
नो, आई थिंक एक टीम एफर्ट है, और एक अगर कोई भी एक अगर प्लेयर अच्छा खेलता है टीम पे, तो अपने आप वो टीम का भी परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ जाती है. जैसे कि अभी नवाज सर जब होते मेरे सामने, जब हम सीन शूट कर रहे थे, तो मैं तो घंटा कुछ हूँ उनके सामने, पर उनकी वजह से मेरा भी परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर आ जाता है.
Tiger, one question.
Yes sir.
Tiger, you know all 3 of your movies, Virobati, Bhagi and...
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. I was saying all 3 movies of yours have come were directed by Sabir Khan only. So do you think you won't be comfortable with other directors after this if you work with any other director?
No, I'm most comfortable with Sabir sir. I mean, he's basically taught me ABCs of whatever little I know, so I'm very thankful for him.
And I think he's going to be a delight for any director. The amount of hard work he puts in and the way he becomes the character. I think he's going to be a delight for any director in the country to do.
But yeah, answering your question, thank you so much. I'm totally open to working with a lot of people, but I got lucky that, you know, I got 3 chances to work with one of my favorite directors.
Tiger, you will be working with Disha Patni in Bhagi 2.
Yes.
And you worked with her in a music video which
That's
was a
right.
hit. So how excited are you to co-star with her, and having known her personally as well?
I'm very excited. I mean, I've known her for a while now, ever since before Bhagi also. And we get along great. We have a great camaraderie, and I think it's just going to be fun, very natural being on screen with her.